In this video, I will show you how to add a new contact in Google Contacts. First, open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. Once you're on the Google Contacts dashboard, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see options like Contacts, Frequently Contacted, and Labels. Right above those, you'll find a button that says Create Contact. Go ahead and click on it. For this tutorial, select Create a Contact. A form will appear where you can enter all the details for the person you're saving. Start by typing their first and last name. Below that, you can enter their email address, phone number, company, job title, and even notes if you want to include extra information. If you want to keep your contacts organized, you can also assign labels. Labels work like folders and can help you sort contacts by categories such as family, work, clients, or projects. Once you've filled out everything you want to save, click Save at the top right corner. Your new contact will instantly appear in your contact list. And that's how to add a new contact in Google Contacts.